Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a faster internet connection, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to create an SSH SSL server account for blazing fast internet and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. By the end of this video, you'll have a secure and speedy internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is the platform we'll use to create our SSH SSL server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button. It's usually at the top corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From the menu, select SSH Server. Now you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Your server details will be generated and displayed within 10 seconds. Once they appear, click the Copy Server Info button to save the details to your clipboard. Paste this information into your device's notes for future use. Next, ensure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Head over to your device's Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find the app, click Install. After installation, open the app and you'll land on the home page. On the home page, you'll see a checkbox labeled SSL. Click it first. Then, in the SSH fields, enter the details you copied earlier, the server IP, port, username, and password. Double-check the information, and once everything is correctly filled in, hit the Start button. Congratulations, you've successfully connected to an SSH SSL server using the HTTP Custom VPN app. Now you can enjoy a secure and fast internet connection. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing tutorials. See you next time.